You know, it's always awesome to see Broncos that we built a year or two or three ago, and we reacquaint with the Bronco and actually get to meet the customer for the first time. Matt brought his by. It was a Bronco that we built with Empire Ford a couple years back. He's been enjoying it, and he's made a few tweaks of his own to kind of personalize it, which is totally cool. You'll notice it's got a lot of familiar parts from Maxlider: the bumper, the fender flares, the graphics, cowl lights, lift kit, wheels, tires, custom leather interior, but then he added that big KC light bar at the top that I think is just really, really cool looking. So if you have pictures of your Maxlider Bronco that we built you and maybe you made some tweaks on, send us some pictures. We'd love to see what you're up to, reconnect with you, and maybe post those pictures to our social media page. For now, thanks for hanging out with us. If you're looking for a Bronco, give us a call or stop by our friends at Empire Ford in Huntington, New York. They'll take great care of you.